Hey guys, it's Shannon. If you are new to my channel, I bring you new inspiration, DIYs, and projects every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday right here on my YouTube channel, TheDailyDIYer. And we are also renovating our 100-year-old home, and so I'm bringing you guys along for every step of that process. So we are working on the living room right now, and if you missed my last video, I will link that down in the description box below. If you'd like to go check that out, we recently just painted the walls, the trim, and the beautiful pocket doors in here. And if you'd like to see kind of more of what the room looks like before, you can check that video out. And one of the things that I love about this room is the gorgeous 1x6 handmade trim that is throughout this whole house. So as much as I love it, I really didn't want to cover it up, and so I kind of went back and forth whether I wanted to do curtains in this room or not. We actually recently renovated the bedroom, so if you'd like to check that video out, I will link that in the description box below as well. So we actually decided to forego the curtains in the bedroom. It's a very dark room, however the trim really lightens it up, so we wanted to make sure it didn't get too dark and cover up that trim and make it too dark in there. However, in this room, it is our family room, and we wanted it to be a place that was really cozy and warm and welcoming, so we decided to go ahead and do curtains in here and give it a more soft feeling. So I wanted something that was really light and airy and flowy, but we also wanted to stay on a budget. So we did each one of these windows for only about $25 worth of supplies. So I wanted to show you guys and share that with you. So let's get started. I'll show you all of the things that we used to create this look that you see behind me.
Of course, to start, we needed curtain rods, and these are from Walmart. They were only about $13 each, so really inexpensive. I loved the look of these. They're not too heavy, and they also included all the hardware we needed, and they were really simple to install. Next are the curtain rings. These are in my Amazon favorite store, which I'll link down below. They're very inexpensive over there versus at Walmart. You just want to install these on your curtain rod before you hang your rod up on the wall. And for the actual curtain panels, I used white bed sheets from Walmart, and these are only about $5 each. So for $10 for a set of curtain panels, it was very inexpensive. And the hardest part of this whole project was the ironing. The bed sheets come very, very wrinkled, and they're extra large, so it does take some time to iron these all out, but is definitely worth it to save quite a bit of money versus your traditional curtain panels. Installing these curtains was so simple and easy. All you have to do is clip them onto those curtain rings that I showed you previously, and I just sort of gathered and folded over any excess fabric that was at the top to eliminate any bulk that was sort of gathered there, and then arranged it so that you could still see the molding on the sides of the window. We hung the curtain rods about 10 inches out from the window molding. That way we didn't lose the look of the molding around the windows, and it really gave the windows much more of a grand effect. And I just really, really love it, and I'm so happy we decided to go ahead and add curtains in this room.
Thank you all so much for joining me for today's tutorial. I hope that it inspired you. Make sure to take a second and give this video a thumbs up for me. You can also follow me on my social media pages, both on Facebook and on Instagram, where you'll get some sneak peeks and some behind the scenes that you won't see here on YouTube. I also bring you great DIY projects and tutorials every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell as well so that you get notified when my videos go live. Thank you all so much again. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.